This is Elsa Schmitz from the Easterner reporting Easterner Asks. This week we're asking students a big question. Should EWU be required to label genetically modified foods?
They should label their food because we don't know what kind of chemicals they use on their products, like for example veggies, fruit, and other type of meals, so we can know what's good for our body.
I don't think genetically modified food affects the food that much. It just changes its proteins that the plant or whatever you're eating is making. And I don't think that would have a big effect on your body.
I believe so, just so we can know what we're eating.
I believe that we should label our foods because generally, as consumers, you want to know what you're buying, and when you pay money into what you're purchasing, you need to know generically everything that comes with it.
Yes, I do think they should have to. When people are buying things, they want to know what's in their food, especially if they're spending money. They want to know what's in their food.
Yes, EWU should be required to label their genetically modified food because people would want to know what they're eating. I like having the little food bar on the side to know, like, calorie intake, stuff like that. But I also like to know what's in my food.
So I don't care personally if they're labeled or not, but I know that there are people out there that do care that food are genetically modified. So yeah, they should be, just for those people who do. And if people don't think so, then why not? It doesn't harm you if you do, if they are.
I think that if this issue isn't a statewide thing, Eastern particularly shouldn't have to do it. But I'm not against it being a state requirement. So if the state legislature wants to make that a requirement, I would support that because I do think it's important that people know what they're eating and actually where it comes from.
Maybe perhaps Eastern should get involved because many of the type of foods that we're getting within our cafeteria, we're being fed that, and who knows what we're ingesting, and that could affect the lives of our students.